In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the thunder drum. But before we get started, I just want to say that how you play it depends on your specific goal. You might play it different if you was to use it for music production, or if you was to use it as a sound effect for your video or film. You want to hold the top of the thunder drum and let the metal spring coil dangle. If you want like a subtle sound effect, you might go slight wiggle from left to right. Depending on how much movement you give it, it will vary the sound. If we do a harsh movement, we get a thunder strike. It's also important to hold it far away from your face because you don't want this to hit you in the face. I actually like to turn the thunder drum and then give it like a harsh flick. Aside from playing the thunder drum like this, you can also turn it and play it this way around. And what will happen is the metal coil will hit the hide, creating a different sound. But different thunder drums sound different. This is our bamboo thunder drum. Now we're going to take a look at the Jati thunder drum. This one is also made from bamboo, but as you can see, it has a much larger frame, which would give it more amplification, but because it's smaller, it would have less reverberation. It gives a much louder thunder sound. One thing worth noting as well is that because this part of the drum is made from animal hide, it can become loose depending on humidity and temperature. So if that does happen, like this one, no matter how you play it, it may still sound flat. So for this, what we're going to do is use the hairdryer. So what we want to do is place the hairdryer 10 centimeters away from the animal hide, and it should tighten it, improving the sound. You can actually see that it's much tighter already. Also worth noting, when you're using the hairdryer, you want to keep it moving just to avoid, burning the hide. So now let's have another go. Anyway, if you want to check out any of these instruments, I will put a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.